so I wasn't able to talk earlier. But we're doing my makeup because we have a shoot today. I'm not really sure if I can share what the shoot is for, but I am with my OG blogger friends. They're having their makeup done while I'm pumping, waiting for them. So we're already at the studio, and I bring this baby with me all the time whenever I'm not with Bella. So yeah, this is the look. Are ready? Guess who's not? Almost ready guys. Quick shoot. More chika than shoot actually.
Reunion lang siya.
Oo, reunion. So we just finished our shoot. It was a very, very quick shoot. Changed my outfit because I have a... Well, actually, that's not the main reason. I changed my outfit because I'm very uncomfortable and I need to pump. And that was so hard to pump in. So I'm here now at Lorene and Miggy's house. Borrowed the bra, TMI. But I needed to change it to something else for my live because I'm doing a live for skin. You guys probably already know by now what we're launching, but I'll talk more about it later. So... Wala eh, di ko dala. Sorry. You might have to purchase to support your friend.
Alam mo naman yung problema ko dito. Pag nagkaka-pimple ako dito, it stays a blemish for like a month.
A month?
Yeah.
And then no matter what you put, it really develops. Ay, this is a nice way to test it out. I have so much faith in our pimple patch. But anyway, so I'm currently at Lorene and Miggy's house, and I am also eating their food. You know, this is my city house. Their house is my house.
Okay.
So I just arrived for my TikTok live going to the studio. And just when I was taking photos of myself at the registration downstairs, I saw a pimple. A pimple! Perfect time to use the Advanced Blemish Patch. Oh my god, it's so annoying. It's right there in my forehead. You don't see it, but I see it. Hello! Okay, time check Cubs. 10:17 p.m. I am tired. I also feel like my throat is giving up. Hopefully I don't lose my voice. But the team is still continuing the TikTok live all the way until 12 midnight. I didn't know that they were gonna continue, but they're continuing it and the energy is crazy. I also don't know where I got my energy during TikTok live. I was just telling Yanni before we started that I'm so tired, I don't know how I'm gonna survive. He's like, you'll find the energy once the live starts. He has faith in me. And now we're on the way home. When we get home, I'm gonna have to remove all of my makeup, my hair, and then sleep a bit and then wake up to do my middle of the night pumping because I'm still pumping in the middle of the night because I'm so scared of losing my supply. Even though a lot of the other moms have been telling me that, you know, you can already stop with the middle of the night supply, but I'm just so scared because I have a trip coming up, my first trip without Bella, and I'm scared that I'll lose my supply during that trip or it will dip because I'm gonna be pumping exclusively during the trip because I'm not with Bella, right? So that's why I don't want to give up the middle of the night pumping just yet, especially now that I'm going on a trip without Bella. But I feel like it's just making me so tired every day. I always feel so sleepy because nga I'm doing this middle of the night pumping. And then last night, Sienna also went to our room. Actually, for 2 nights straight now. She keeps coming to our room in the middle of the night. The first night was at 4 a.m. Then last night was at 12:30 a.m. And we just kept waking up every now and then from 12:30 a.m. until when I had to pump. So that was around until mga 3-ish, 3:30 a.m. So then I'm so tired. That also affects your supply actually when you do that. Ay. But anyway, konting tiis pa. Bella's already almost 7 months anyways. Past the 6-month mark at least. Whew. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow's another day, my love.
It is indeed.
Good morning. So this is our agenda today. Package from Louis Vuitton. Let's check out the contents. So we actually already picked out my outfit for the Louis Vuitton event later. So it's for their resort collection, and that is why we're also wearing like really summery clothes. Ta-da! So this is my dress for later. It's a size 36, and I don't know if I'm already a size 36, like back to my old size, but when we tried it on during my fitting the other day, it miraculously fit me. There's something about Louis Vuitton clothes. If you guys remember when I was pregnant, I actually miraculously also fit in their super small shorts because they didn't know I was pregnant yet, and that's why they sent me really short shorts. But yeah, it's just a bit tight on the waist, but it fits. That's what's important. And then for my shoes, again, we're going for a really summery vibe. So we're wearing these wedges. So these are my shoes for the event. It's a bit small on me, but should be fine. And then hopefully I don't trip because I don't know what it is with wedges. wedges. I just don't know how to walk in them. I always trip. Like, I always do that. Almost always sprain my ankle. It hasn't happened just yet. And then for the bag, I think we are changing the bag though. But they sent one na rin just in case. So this is the bag. Oh my gosh, they lent me this. It's so cute. It's from the Murakami collection, which I love. Hindi ko na siya babalik ever because it's so cute. Can this be mine, please, Louis Vuitton? But anyway, I think they want me to wear like one of their raffia bags so it matches my wedges. But it's already at Soler, which is where it's happening, the event. So they lent me this as well, just in case. And we have some accessories here. Okay, so we have the outfit on now. Don't they look so baguettes? I love it. And then we're gonna wear these earrings. These are my favorites from LV. Really cute. And we have a bracelet here as well. So Louis Vuitton. Also, I can put my own jewelry too. Let's see, what else can we put? It's cute with this. And then a little bit of dainty bracelets too. So one of my favorites from my mom. It's a vintage gold bracelet. It's super cute. I think it's cute. And then maybe just one thicker cuff here. Yeah, cute, dainty, fresh, again. And then let's see if the shoes are easy to walk in. Hopefully they are. Do they fit? Yes, they fit. You know, I used to be a size 37 and then I became a size 37 and a half just out of nowhere as an adult. Like after getting married but before getting pregnant. So you cannot blame this on the pregnancy at all. It just never went back. I can still sometimes fit size 37 for open toe shoes. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how it looks. I really have no faith in wedge heels. I feel like they always fail me. Hopefully I do not trip and I do not sprain my ankles. But I'm gonna show you my entire look. Didn't close the shoes though because I'm gonna be wearing flats to the car. This is the look. Oh, the back. We'll probably change the bag when we get there because it's not so much of a match. But it's nice that I got to experience this at least for a while. Hee. LG Murakami collection is really so nice. Let's go to somewhere. I just got the fright of my life. I thought that friggin' big spider was inside the car. We probably could have gotten into an accident. I was holding.
Because you were also pulling the wheel.
I was pulling on Yoni, who was holding the wheel, and I knew that he was trying to. Sorry, this is open. I have a bodysuit inside, anyways. But anyway, I could feel that he was trying to keep the car steady, but I did not care. Hobbs, it was this big, naman. Oh my gosh. Ay, my heart. This arrived when I left for the event. It's actually from Louis Vuitton. I've received a ton of floral arrangements from Louis Vuitton, but this one takes the cake. It's really so beautiful. I'm such a sucker for these types of floral arrangements. I just opened the card that came along with it, and it's just basically the invite for the event earlier today. I love this too. I think I'm gonna keep it. It's such a pretty artwork. Anyway, let's go down for dinner. It's already 9 p.m. and I'm so hungry. I really am so determined to sleep earlier today. I've been sleeping so late. Let's go have dinner with the hubs. We're done feeding. Mommy put you here so that mommy can pack while you watch mommy. Are you ready to watch mom? You're so cute. Mommy doesn't want to leave you and your achi. But daddy says mommy needs this, so let's do it. Using my new luggage from Tumi. Okay, my love. Mommy has my outfits here. Tell mommy which one is your favorite, okay? Oh, you're excited by the plans. Or is it mommy's outfit? My love, focus. Bella Bear. Not interested in my clothes. Mommy has these pants, see? Mommy has white pants. And then, mommy got a gray vest. You're not interested? No, not interested. But this is outfit number 1. What do you think? Approve? And then, Mama's theme for this trip are all grays. What do we think of gray? Do we like? Approve? High five! Yeah! High five! Mama entered ether so you're not bored. Here you go, my love. Mommy got you a toy. You're welcome. So to make my packing easy, or my styling easy, we decided to stick to one color palette for this trip. It's gonna be super chill. So we're sticking to grays, neutrals actually, but my main color story is gray, and just really simple, clean lines. And they all have to be pump friendly because I have to pump while I'm away from Bella Bear. Not really a packing cube person, especially when I don't have much in my luggage. I usually use packing cubes if I'm bringing a lot of stuff, but as you guys know, I am a light packer, so there's no need, especially for such a short trip like this one. Just going there for 4 days. So much more chill to pack for a trip without kids. Whenever we travel with the kids, I have to also think about all their stuff. I have to pre-pack all of them. Of course, yeah, we're fortunate to have nannies, but I usually do the packing, or at the very least, I would make a list for them to make sure that nothing is forgotten. And then their outfits, I would style them and set them aside, and then they would just put everything in the luggage. All done packing. I'm also using my new cosmetic case from Tumi. It's actually too big for whatever I'm bringing though, because I'm not bringing a lot, but I really wanted to use it now. So here we are. So cute because it matches my maleta. Have a dinner with the vlogger besties tonight. It's been 10 years since we've had a get-together. Yeah, I don't know, the last time was still New Year. Can't remember actually. But anyway, this is today's outfit because I am lazy. An all-black look with my trusty Alaya bag. Today's shoes. My top is the Uniqlo bra top, which I love because I get to just pull this down, breastfeed Bella, or when I'm pumping, I do the same. So I really love them. They're so comfortable. I think we're probably the last ones to arrive. What do you think?
Usually.
But to be fair, it's because I wanted to feed Bella. I wanted to feed her before we go. Not breastfeeding, I pumped in the car, but I was feeding her dinner. So she's already doing solids. Wala lang, I just really wanted to feed her first and spend time with Sienna because we're already flying out tomorrow. But anyway, we're here. Better late than never, as I always say. Hi! We're having shabu-shabu! This is something we don't have in the South, no? Like, I wish we have shabu-shabu in the South. I would just like to say, we're not the last ones to arrive.
Always kasi silang late.
Well, excuse me, our last dinners weren't us. Good morning! I just finished feeding Bella Bear and now we are off to the airport for our flight. It's currently 7 a.m. I'm so happy I was able to feed Bella and I don't have to pump in the car. She woke up earlier today. I'll show you my outfit. Ta-da! It's a bit funky. It's from the H&M White Lotus collection. I feel like this is for dancing. Okay, let's say goodbye to Sienna so that I get to see her before we go. Hello? Mommy, say goodbye before we go. Mommy, say bye-bye. Mommy's gonna go to the airport now. Give Mommy here.
Mom, who gave you that dress?
H&M, my love. Bye-bye, Bella Bear. I love you forever.
Forever.
See you when I get back.
You.
I love you forever.
Forever.
I'll miss you.
Miss you.
Take care of Bella Bear, okay? Yes? Yes, my love? Ingat. Okay, thank you. I always have to answer when she shouts because my pride, I don't answer her. Anyway, off to the airport we go. Ready, hub? Outfit check? Off we go. I have my sister here with them, but I will be stalking them in the camera for sure. And I guess this is where we end my vlog. See you guys in Shanghai. Bye!